What is up, guys? Just want to share something with you really quickly about different systems that are important to have in your business. So I'm getting ready to send out a text message blast to my customer list. All right. So I started doing this last year as far as sending out a text blast, just to test different ways of marketing. You know, because we can spend a lot of time chasing down new clients. But I'm telling you guys, if you do good work, there is a lot of money sitting in your past clients who have already worked with you, right? So last year, I've been having my CRM for a while now, and last year I decided, why not try a different way of marketing? Okay, cool. So I found out some different text messaging softwares where I could send out a text blast to my customer list. I exported that Excel sheet from my CRM, which I use Square. Link will be in the description, and I uploaded it to a service called ClickSend. Okay, I'm getting ready to show you guys this. But for about $70, I'm about to send a text blast out to a customer list of about 1,449 people. And I guarantee you guys that this text that's costing me $70 to send out will probably return me at least $10,000 in almost like immediate business. That is powerful. Would you trade $70 for 10 grand? And this is just an estimation. It could be more. It could be less. Obviously, some of these people I'm going to send this text out to, some people are not going to respond, right? Some people are going to not need it right now. Some people are no longer in need of my service at all. You know, they moved to a different state, don't live in a home anymore, moved to an apartment, whatever the scenario might be. But there are a lot of people in that customer list that just forgot about me. No matter how good of a job I did, they forgot about me. They're not thinking about me. They got life going on. They got kids. They got work. They have a million things to think about, so they're not thinking about me, right? But by sending out this text, I'm going to get their attention again, right? And I'm going to be the person on their mind, and they're going to contact me and say, oh, yes, I need my house washed, need this washed. Already without sending out any text, I'm already getting some, past customers saying, hey, I need you guys to come out, wash my house, do this and that. So now I'm about to just, I'm about to kind of add a little fire to that. And last year when I did this, which obviously now we have more customers because we added new customers last year. I don't even remember. I think it made me a quick return of like at least $5,000 in booked business off of like probably the same between the first 2 days of people getting the text. Just like that. People wanted me to come out and book them. So I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to go ahead and skip all that. I'm going to show you guys the software. I'll be leaving the link for them if you guys want to do it. But this is why I preach to make sure you guys have a CRM. There is money in your client list. There's a lot of money in your client list. I'm getting ready to show you guys the software. All right, guys. So here we are in ClickSend. And here's the text I'm getting ready to send out. Hi, this is going to put their name. Hi, blank. Iworks Pressure Washing is kicking off our 2022 season. We're excited to serve you. This year, we've added wood staining to our services. Let us know how we can help you. Mention this text for 10%. I need to add off. So good thing I read this. 10% off any service. Link to the website to where they can fill out a quote form. And I'm also getting ready to drop a picture in here. And that's it, guys. This text is going to make me a lot of money for only $70 investment. Let's just say, even if this only made me $2,000 in business, which I can guarantee you guys is going to make me a lot more than that. I have some high ticket customers in here. I have customers from 3 years ago in here. This will make me a lot of money, I can guarantee you. But for $70, you can't beat this. And this is my existing customers. The trust is already there. I don't have to sell them. I don't have to go chase. And what's going to happen is by me getting out there working, neighbors are going to see me. Referrals are going to happen. And this is just going to catapult. We're going to have momentum. I'm going to put out yard signs while running ads, while passing out postcards, while sending a text. You got to try everything. But this is one of those things you can use that really help your business. So I just wanted to share that really quickly, guys. My action camera, I didn't actually get a GoPro. I got a cheaper action camera, but it had good reviews. So you guys will be getting more pressure washing videos this year of me working, and I'll show you, showing stuff like that. So that'll be more and more content is coming. So be on the lookout for that. And yeah, the course is still on sale for $49. So if you're new and want to get started, definitely check it out. It won't be on sale much longer. And also check out my e-guide for $10. Link is all in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Good luck with your washing business this season. Let's go.